Welcome everyone to biology concept classes. Today I will discuss about some exceptions related to biology. As we know, biology is a science of exception because we know physical sciences are governed by set of laws such as laws of gravity, magnetism, thermodynamics and so on. But in case of biology, however, it is a science which have many exceptions. This is due to the fact that it deals with living organisms, which shows enormous variation and capable of changes. So some example, that means exceptions, here I have given. The exception number 1 is it's an animal. It's an animal belongs to group Protozoa, that is a unicellular eukaryote. It's an animal, okay, but can perform photosynthesis. Okay, this is here you can see the picture. It will come. It is Euglena. Okay, it is Euglena. The first exception in the animal kingdom, you can see here Euglena. Second exception, our second exception, it's can produce light chemically. Okay, we know light can be produced by bulbs by through electricity, but it's an animal can produce light, and we are well aware of that. Its process is called bioluminescence. Okay, it produces light but not generating heat. Okay, it will not generate heat. It is an insect. Okay, it is an insect, that is firefly, we know. In Hindi we are saying that it is a jugnu. Okay, not the auto wala jugnu. Third exception, exception number 3. Okay, we know that all land inhabiting animals, okay, land inhabiting animals means those who are living in land, drink water. Okay, they needs water, we also needs water. 70% of our body is made up of water, but it is a organism that never drinks water. Okay, it's an animal. So here you can see that organism, it's a kangaroo rat. Okay, basically found in the desert conditions. Okay, desert condition, it is a adaptive feature of that organism. So we will proceed to the exception number 4. Exception number 4, yes, exception number 4, it's a kind of lizard. We know it is a member of phylum, that group reptiles, a lizard. Okay, Caucasian regions of Soviet Union. So little bit knowledge about geography you should have. Soviet Union, Caucasian, you can see here, this is the lizard. Okay, you will get only females, not males. They will be always females, not males. It is called Lacerta sexicola. Okay, Lacerta sexicola. Exception number 5. Okay, all mammals. Okay, mammals, those who feeds their or offsprings with breast milk. Okay, they are mammals, give birth to young one, but not this one will lay eggs. Okay, we will well aware of this organism. See how cute it is. Okay, but the spines are very dangerous. Okay, so this is what, this is echidna. Okay, echidna. Exception number 6. Exceptions in living organisms. Okay, we are dealing with living organisms only. It's a fish but can breathe in both aquatic and terrestrial habitat. We know fishes can respire only inside the water, but this is a fish can respire within the aquatic, both in aquatic and land conditions. Okay, this is the fish, you can see. This is a very primitive fish. Okay, primitive fish. Okay, it is known as the name of that fish is Protopteras. Okay, lungfish, it's having lung. Okay, that's why lungfish. Exception number 7. Exception number 7, usually lizards. Okay, lizards crawl. Okay, we know that it's crawl on land, but this one not. Okay, the picture that we will see, you will see now, it can walk. Okay, in the water. See. Okay, this is our Bacillus lizard. Okay, Bacillus, or also known as Jesus lizard. Okay, Jesus lizard. Okay, there is a meaning with that name. Okay, if you want, you can find out the meaning, Jesus lizard with the water. Okay, exception number 8. It's actually not a toad. Okay, it's actually not a toad. Toad, we know what is toad. Likewise, like a frog. Okay, toad rather than a reptile. Okay, rather than a reptile. See here. Okay, that organism you can see. This is known as horned toad. Okay, horned toad. So many horns you can see here. Horns are there. Okay, then exception number 9. Exception number 9. The roots of plant we know always grow inside the soil. Okay, but in this plant the roots will come out from the soil. Okay, this is negatively geotropic. Okay, negatively geotropic. Here you can see the roots are coming out from the soil. These roots you will get in a plant that is a mangrove plant. It's known as Rhizophora. Okay, Rhizophora. Exception number 10, and with this we will wind up. And the last one, plant can do photosynthesis. Okay, but except this one. That means we know the plants can do photosynthesis usually, but it is a parasitic plant. Okay, it depends on other plants for its nutrition. You can see it, you might be encounter with that plant. Okay, encouraging other plants. Okay, it is called Cuscuta. Okay, Cuscuta or Cuscuta. Okay, so that, thank you everyone. If you found this video is beneficial and informative, please do like and share, subscribe and press the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you again.